Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Westco. Today I'm going to be jumping in, showing you guys how I lay my wigs lately because I have been freaking them, and I actually have a new wig from ISEEHAIR that I need to install anyway. So we're going to be doing a get ready with me transformation style, and I don't know if y'all noticed lately in my get ready with me is I have been having the outfit on, so don't be thinking I'll be trying to play y'all with 3-in-1 because my outfit is already on, okay? Actually a two-piece from, I want to say Hot Miami or fashionnova. See, it's comfortable, it's definitely suitable for this weather. Girl, I'm like gagging at how cold it be at night nowadays, and it's just like, what am I expecting? Because it's about to be October. September flew by. Can anybody agree with me? It's ridiculous. But if you guys are interested in this transformation, I got my old background going. If you're interested, continue to watch. I'm just gonna keep it in a low ponytail for this install, and then I'm just gonna pop a flesh tone wig cap on, so it works for me. My hair is already pushed back, so I don't feel like I need any extra like hairspray. And I bleached the knots really good on this. I used a little purple shampoo in the mixture this time because I didn't want the hair to be, or the knots to turn like really brassy yellow. So that helped a lot, and I am going to continue to do that. I'm just going to pop the wig on. This is a loose natural wave or something like that. It will be linked in the description box below. So just popping it on. And here's when we can find out if I pluck too much or not. See, I was just on, what was I doing while I was plucking this freaking wig? I think I was watching something and I was just so caught up in it that I really wasn't paying attention how much I was going in. But like I said, I want to do like a twisty or like a halfway up, halfway down. And sometimes halfway up styles, I feel like I need to pluck so much density out of the frontal or the closure. But this time the closure wasn't really that bulky, so I shouldn't have like went so ham. But I feel like it's still going to allow the install to look super natural. What I'm going to have to do now though is put a little bit of foundation powder on the lace because the lace is pretty white. I mean, I wouldn't consider it white, but the real word I guess is like, I'm not even gonna say that it's transparent because I know what transparent lace looks like. It's just not my lace color. It's not suitable for my skin complexion. So if you find that problem, foundation powder stand to use is the Sephora Micro Smooth in 60 Deep. And then I just start patting the foundation powder. I don't try to do all that wiping, sweeping motions. Just pat it in because you don't want to have like too much powder just flying around on you. Sometimes you need to even like put it on the part that looks like you're going to end up cutting off eventually, because if you don't put the powder right there, you sometimes see like that white lace that you're trying to avoid on you. So still take it up there even if you do remove the lace. Well, you have to remove the lace, but I just don't know how much you're going to be removing, but you know what I'm trying to say. So now that that is out the way, we're going to pop this back on. But I did adjust the wig so it could fit really snug to me, so I just pull the elastic straps to each side. And this wig does have 4 combs, so 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 at the top. I don't know why they be putting that top comb. Let me know because I don't get it. 10 times better, right? I swear that Sephora Micro Smooth powder works like a dream. I think that's like the only powder that actually makes a huge difference when it comes to like tinting my lace, if you would say, without having to do the extraness. So yeah. Okay, so you always have to adjust your wig cap so it doesn't look like it's peeking through or trying to get clocked while you're wearing your wig. I cannot stand when I be seeing some girls actually like go and spin their bag. Okay, their bag on their hair, their stylist, all of that, and then I see the freaking wig cap in their lace. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like, it's just a hot mess to me. I cannot stand it. Like, if you're doing like a basic install, you're doing it yourself at home, that's cool. But if you're actually going to pay somebody for your install and you can see this line right here, that's not a good install, sweetie. So let's see if this helps. Yeah, that helps. Tint, and it's actually staying way better than the other one. So yeah, see, that's how you fix your dilemmas. I have so many different shades of wig caps in my house, it makes no sense. Like one right here, look at how light this one is. I remember I used to always use like these super like tan beige stocking caps, and you remember we used to just put pounds of foundation powder all over it. Nowadays you don't even have to do that if you can find like the perfect flesh tone color for you. So I was so excited when it came out with so many different colors, because I was using all of my foundation up for my freaking lace, so my foundation powder up. But yeah, so this looks a bit better to me. You can kind of still see the line right there, but sometimes you just have to like move your wig up just a little bit more so it can look like it's blending. I do this. That's a good thing about closures, because all you have to do is spray right here. Alright, boo, I don't know if y'all can see, but honey, it is melted. I'm glad it looks like this, because I know exactly how I'm gonna be doing my hair, because I was skeptical at first. I feel like I did overpluck just a smidge, but I won't regret it, because I'll be able to just dedicate this wig to most of my like updos or twist moments, basically what I'm trying to do now for it. I just bought both because I probably will end up using both, because I still need it to hold, and the Eco Styling Gel might not be enough. I just want to make sure the weft is covered on this side, and the rest can go in a ponytail. I am going to be blowing out the rest of the hair, like blow drying it, just so it can get a little bit more straight before I go in to curl it. quickly gonna express to you guys how I feel about the hair quality. So what I've noticed so far is that the hair holds a really nice curl. It fell just a little bit, but nothing too crazy that I felt like I had to go back in and redo any curls. So that's a plus for me. The second thing that I noticed is that this wig actually has less density than my normal one. So I will usually get like a 180, 150. This has to be like 130. If it's a 150, like, they need to work on their density a little bit more. But let me tell you, I'm not mad about this type of density because I don't like curling my hair that much anymore. Like, as long as I put the hair up in a ponytail and it still looks like it has like a good amount of hair in the ponytail, I'm here for it. You know what I mean? So far so good. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it later on down the line, just because this is going to be one of my favorite wigs because I love a quick like updo moment, but I still want to have like some of my hair hanging down. If you are interested, the links to this exact wig will be linked in the description box below. And another thing, the outfit is actually from fashionnova. It's a two-piece set. And I believe y'all seen this before. I'm sure that I've worn it before on my channel. This needed to get worn because it's about to be too cold for this, and I was never really able to wear this out because it was too hot at the same time, because it's like a cotton material, but it's still like netty, and it has like holes in it a little bit because it has like that net material, but it's still lined good enough that it's not going to be like a see-through moment thing. I combed my hair out a little bit with this Annie comb. Y'all should know about this because every time I comb my hair out with it, I always tell y'all because it makes me so happy. But anyway, that is that, y'all. So let me know how you guys feel about everything. Thank you guys for kicking it with me, hanging out with me, because I know I've been a little MIA on the response end. Like I said, I just haven't really been feeling myself. And that's just life sometimes. I'm a human and I go through human shit. I never said I was perfect. Bye, y'all.